Hi, in this video, I will show you how to remove background in Canva. So first, you have to open your Canva, and as much as possible, you have to upgrade your plan into Pro so that it would be easier for you to remove a background here. Let's start with the video. All you have to do is drag the video right here, tap on the video, and look for the tissue remover here in Canva. Wait for a couple of seconds as it slowly removes the background, and here is the result. Now, if you want to add a background, if you want to change the background right here, all you have to do is to add another background. For example, I want to add a background for this video like this. Okay, so I have to resize this one first, and then I have to look for a background. For example, you can add this from Canva or you can import from your computer. Now, what you're going to do now is you have to tap on this video right here, and then you can resize. Click this video, right click, go to layer, bring this to front. If you can't find it, do it again, right click, layer, bring to front, and here it is. So as you can see, the video is now visible, and that's how you remove a background and replace a background here. Now let's talk about a photo. So it's the same thing. You have to make sure that you have upgraded your Canva into Pro in order for you to do that. You just have to select that picture or photo right here, drag it to the blank page of Canva, and then what you're going to do next is you have to look for the BG remover. Tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you see the result right away. And again, in order for you to add a background, just right click this picture, move backward. Okay, and here it is. So you can resize the picture right here. Also, the first picture you can resize and put it or place it anywhere. And that's how easy it is to remove background in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.